Transition lines. These lines are used to guide the traffic safely past obstruction on roadways, such as islands, median strips, bridge piers, or indicate changes in the width of traveled portion of the roadway, and an increase or reduction of speed is needed. Ibig sabihin naman ng ganitong mga lines ay nagbibigay babala sa mga motorista obstruction sa roadway katulad ng mga center island or median na kailangan magbagal or maging alerto kapag nakakita ng ganito.